Hey guys, Ronnie Rocksmith here, and welcome to my bonus page for WP Leads Machine. And if you're not familiar with this plugin yet, basically what it does is you install it on your WordPress site, and it's made for your blog post where your visitors come to your page and they say like, I would like to save this, so I can read later. So what it allows you to do is collect a lead in exchange for them to be able to download your blog post in a PDF format. So you're building your list and you're giving your visitors some good quality content at the same time. So it makes you look like a rock star, right? Now I'm using the Pro version here, okay? What I'm offering to you on this page is the basic version, but you can always upgrade through the funnel. On that page, it's just a little bit more to upgrade to Pro, which I recommend because you get these awesome other settings such as the pop-up here, if you want to use a pop-up. And you also get some extra PDF settings here where you can add in your logo, which is extremely important, I think, if you're going to brand either your logo or even yourself as a person, depending if you have a company logo or whatever. But branding is important, right, to build your image. So every time that they open this PDF, they're going to see your logo or you, right? So you can brand yourself. Now, I'm also going to give you some awesome settings because whenever you get this plugin, you don't have anything inside here. It's kind of plain as far as like what to put in these boxes, like for the thank you message. I think it just says thank you, check your email for PDF. So you want to customize this. Redirection link here. I'm going to show you this is another cool option if you're an affiliate marketer. There's a redirect after submitting, so as soon as they click the button to get the PDF, you can redirect them to wherever you want to. And what I recommend doing when you do this is go ahead and redirect them to an affiliate offer so you can get paid, right? So it's like they click this button, they're getting some content from you, you're building a lead, and you could also get paid at the same time as soon as they opt in. So very cool. That's why I recommend upgrading to the Pro. Okay, so like I said, what I want to do here is not show you how to use the plugin, but just give you some good tips on how to customize it. So down here, like I said, for the thank you message, it just says thank you, check your email for the PDF, right? Actually, this should say the. Fix that right quick and save these changes. So yeah, it says thank you, check your email for the PDF, right? And I'm going to add in a little bit of more information here because if you don't see the email, please check your spam folder. Now guys, this is really important to put this in here because when I tried this, it seems that it was going to the spam folder a lot. Okay. So this is important to put this in here to make sure that so they don't get mad at you to check their spam folder. It might go to their inbox. It just depends. But I was getting this in my spam folder. So yeah, it's a good idea to add this in here. That way they know that they need to check that folder to get their blog post downloadable in PDF. Okay, so the intro text here, I put enter your email to get the post in PDF email to you. Okay. It's going to be emailed to them. Email form settings down here. You can either choose email and name, whatever you choose. This is debatable because a lot of marketers only want the email address at first until they become a buyer and then they collect their first name. This also allows the visitor to say, okay, this is less work. I don't have to add my name, just my email address. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like on my website in a second, but I want to show you some more settings right quick. So the PDF settings in the Pro version is very cool because you can add your logo. This is important for branding. You should always be branding your business, either yourself as an image of you or the logo of your company. So I have two logos here, ronnierokk.com, which is my personal site, and then of course my business, usadigi.com. So yeah, this is going to be, I haven't converted this site yet to an agency while I'll be helping local businesses here with their websites, videos, YouTube, and all that good stuff. Like I said, right now I'm just using it as an opt-in page until I build the page like I want it on the back end. But yeah, and I'm also opening a USA Digi Academy where it's just going to be like training in their software training for marketers, to build their business, learn all the things that they need to do, such as funnels. It's going to be a membership site. And it's going to include all of my products that I put out in the future. So they're going to get access to all of that good stuff. And it's going to be a monthly membership, as I said. But back to this. So this is what the PDF is going to look like. It's going to have my logo. Yes. I'm even going to opt in to show you what the PDFs look like so you can get an idea. So I didn't put anything for the intro text here. Okay, you can. And it just depends on what you want to do, right? But down here, I put some in text. So the PDF is going to be here. It's going to have your logo and anything you put in the intro text. What can you put in the intro text? So you could either put something about you or your company, what you do, which would be good, with links back to your website, something like that. All right. And down here, I said, if you would like this, I actually want a space here. Okay, that'll look a little better. So if you would like to see more products and marketing tools, just click this link here. So in the future, I'm probably going to change this up to my academy once it's built up, to link back to that if they want training and some other cool stuff. So yeah, you can put images in here. You could put links. So very cool. And I recommend doing this. This is important because if you want to make more sales, add in some stuff. Okay, and the display images, yes, add link to the article. You can add a link here if you want to. Again, this is in the Pro version, I think. It might be in the Basic too. So let me save my changes. Alrighty, so that's all good to go. So let me take you to my blog now. Okay, so I want to go to marketing blogs. So all of these are already set up, right? So I'm just going to go, let's see. Let's just go to this one here. I mean, they all have links in there, so it doesn't really matter which one, but here it is. So as soon as they click here to get this PDF, my little pop-up pops up, right? Let me go ahead and do this. Thank you. Check your email for the PDF if you don't see. Okay, and look, it's going to my instant offer here. Okay, so that's working. That's the redirect. Of course, you have to have the Pro version right here to be able to redirect. So like I said, it's recommended, all right? Okay, so if they opt in, I get a lead and I get a sale if they buy. So now actually I want to go in my email and show you that where did it go to? Okay, like I said, it usually goes to spam. So I don't know why triggers are going there. As you can see here, here's your PDF blog post you requested. But what I want to do is show you why it's important to add in that spam message, as I said, because it's coming here. So, another good tip would be on your blog post is to add in maybe a video to let others know that, or a message that if you're not using the redirect feature over here, what you could say, if you're not using the redirect feature, I think this will stay up for a while so they can read it. But you could even add a video on your website saying that when you're downloading the PDFs of my blog posts, it usually goes to spam, so please check your spam folders or something like that. That would be a good option as well. Okay, so the PDF is here. Here's the email. So that is right here, email settings. Okay. So I wrote, here's your PDF blog post you requested. Hey, Ronnie Rocksmith here. Glad to see you visited my site and like my content. Here's the PDF as promised. You should get another email to confirm your subscription for my 3K method. So what I did here was actually send them to my autoresponder and get response, which is in your opt-in settings here. You could choose what list they're going to go on. And here's a link to my products again, right? So always good to do that. Go back to the call to action here. And I want to show you what the PDF actually looks like here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'll have to download it. Okay, so let me go ahead and open the PDF and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, you have the logo here, which looks really nice. For pro versions only. You can't do it in the basic version. It downloads the images, the text, everything looks nice. And of course, your link that you put in the bottom, that takes them back or wherever you want. In my case, it goes to my products page. Okay, so that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, read everything on this page. If you think this is interesting, go ahead and pick it up. Like I said, I recommend getting the Pro version so you can have these extra awesome features. And I hope you enjoy the bonuses that I'm including. So as soon as you check out below on JVZoo, my link for the bonuses that you're going to receive below is going to be on your checkout purchase page in JVZoo. So that's it, guys. Okay, have a great day and take care.